Sycophant. A person who acts obsequiously towards someone important to gain advantage. The sycophant constantly flattered the boss to get ahead. Taciturn. Inclined to silence, reserved in speech. The taciturn man rarely spoke, but his actions spoke volumes. Labyrinthine. Complicated and confusing, like a labyrinth. The city's labyrinthine streets were challenging to navigate. Susurrus. A soft, murmuring, or rustling sound, like a whisper. The susurrus of leaves in the wind created a calming backdrop. Ineffable. Beyond description, too great or extreme to be expressed in words. The beauty of the mountain scenery was ineffable. Nebulous. Unclear, vague, or hazy. His explanation was nebulous, leaving everyone confused. Pellucid. Transparently clear, easily understood. The pellucid water allowed us to see the colorful fish swimming. Harangue. A lengthy and aggressive speech. The politician delivered a harangue against corruption. Resplendent. Shining brilliantly, radiant. The bride looked resplendent in her elegant wedding gown. Symbiotic. In a mutually beneficial relationship. The plants and bees had a symbiotic connection in the garden. Juxtapose. To place or deal with close together for contrasting effect. The artist juxtaposed light and dark shades to create a striking painting. Halcyon. Calm, peaceful, and happy. The vacation provided a halcyon escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Disparate. Essentially different in kind, not allowing comparison. The two theories were disparate and couldn't be easily reconciled. Sanguine. Optimistic, especially in difficult situations. Despite setbacks, he remained sanguine about the project's success. Quintessential, representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. The historic castle was the quintessential image of medieval architecture. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.